friends, thank you for coming back. It's step number 2. Alrighty, here we go. I have my ankle brush. I'm going to dip it in we have some dark green, we have some light green. So we're going to dip it, and we're also going to use the tip. So we're going to come up and down. We're going to just go over what we did right here. We're going to do that a nice green. Okay. And I could have moved this over when we started more in the middle. That's okay. And we have the dark green like this. Okay, there we go. This is a very dark green. And again with your brush, right? I'm going to do another one through here, even though I didn't get the dark through there. Now what you're going to do, okay. Alright. This brush looks like it has little teeth. So you're going to come in, and what you're going to do, you're going to come in and you're going to start here, and you're going to twist your wrist, and as you're twisting, you're making the branches. Okay. Oh, I like that already. You're going to do the dark with the light. Very light, very light. Come through here. Always start from this angle. Twist. You're twisting your wrist. Okay. This one we're going to do a little bit darker right here. I love the lighter green off of the dark green. I like that. I love that look. It looks fabulous. Oh, I'm so happy. I love to do palm trees, but like I said, I should have had that more in the middle. Okay, so start from this angle and bring it down. All right, once in a while you're going to have to rinse out your brush. Okay, you have to rinse your brush out. That's all you do. Look at that. And I'll tell you what else probably would work on a bigger canvas is if you used a small comb, believe it or not, because what you're doing is you're coming in here and you're pulling that down. And I'm sure yours is looking beautiful. And remember, anytime you're not pleased, and you should be, let it dry, and then come in and start again if you want. But that's how easy it is. You're just twisting and you're pulling it. Look at that. Oh boy, it's like it's blowing in the wind. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. You can make more up there if you'd like. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, I think my smaller, here it is, my smaller angular brush. I'm going to come in with, again, some dark green, and watch what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to just give this a little bit of greenery off the sand. In different areas they have that. They're like little bushes, and they grow off the sand. And what you want to do is remember, when you go, anytime you go dark, come in with your white, or your white mixed with a green. It changes it up very nicely. Any light color off of a dark color, look how that changed already. Look at that. And here we're just going to give it a little bit and bring it down. Just very tiny off the tip. Very tiny. We're going to, there you go. And a little bit here. Kind of give it a light look. This is fun. Look at that. You can do as many as you want. You can have them very short if you'd like. And again, you can mix that up with some a little lighter. Maybe throw some a little bit more white in that. Now you've got like 3 or 4 different colors. And you can have it, there you go. Let it go over, right? It's in front, so we'll let it go over. You can just go like that. There you go. There you go, look at the bottom. And what you might want to do on the sides, I took a picture of what's going to be cool. I'll do that later. I'm going to go gold here, blue here, gold around the side. And you can, that's how one of my pictures, and it looks really, really cool. You really don't have to just do it solid if you want. In here, you can do many, many, many different things. This is your painting that you're doing. Maybe a little something going down on the bottom. There you go. Just flick it straight up. Start with the bottom. There you go. Use the tip. Come up. Don't forget to always mix your little bit of your whites in there. And I like to see the tips make it a little thinner on top. Oh boy. I'm loving that. So we got beautiful background. In the blue, you have the orange being pulled through. We have the palm tree. We got some greenery. And we have the depth going like this on the sand. Friends, I hope you had a wonderful time. I did, and I cannot wait to do another video. But see how easy it was to do the palm tree? And you can add anything else you want with your painting. Thank you so much. Please stay safe, and I can't wait for you to tune in again. Bye.